Alright, here we go. We at the Don CeSar. I think I pronounced that right. I will definitely make sure I put it in the caption up above. We just gonna make a little, I'm gonna put it in smooth mode. And we're gonna go up a little bit and then we're gonna make an orbit. All the way around in this beautiful hotel. I believe it was a military base. A military hospital at first. I'm not sure, but I think that's what somebody told me some years ago, that it was a military hospital first, and then they turned it into a resort, like a hotel. So I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. I definitely researched this before I edit and post it and put it on my page. So, but I've always wanted to get drone footage of this, so I was finally able to come out here today. This gentleman over here, he allowed me to use some of his space so I can park my car without getting towed and get some footage first. So I definitely appreciate that, because he didn't have to do that. So I definitely appreciate that. But this is yours truly, Keys 85, aka Marquise. This is Sunday. I just left from church, and I said, you know, before I go home, let me go and get me some drone footage, and then I'll take it to the house. So, but we out here in St. Petersburg, Florida, Don CeSar Hotel Resort. I know y'all hear the birds in the background. This is my first time seeing all this like this. I ain't even gonna lie. My first time. I've only ever seen just the front of it. That's it. So literally just to get all of this, oh man, this is beautiful. Go up a little bit. There we go, look at that. Let's zoom in from right here. There we go, zoom in right here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's see. Yes, yes. Oh, this is my first time seeing, well, they might consider this the front. Oh no, they might consider this the front. But it's the back to me, from where I'm at, this the back. Yeah, one day I might get a room up in here just to experience actually being here like everybody else. I should have put an ND filter on though. I didn't think of that. Oh well, we out here now. Go back to one time. Okay, there we go. One time. Very beautiful hotel. I love the view though. It's a nice view. The Don CeSar. Trying to take my time here. Look at this. Man. Yes, sir. So beautiful. That's all, folks.